to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through a quick, full-body yoga sculpt routine. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. A lot of my clients ask me, what do you do when you want to do a full-body workout, but don't have a lot of time? This is what I do. So this is going to be about 15 minutes. And we're going to be using weights for yoga sculpt. I know some of you know me as a yoga teacher. I also teach Pilates at boot camp. So some of the movements are also inspired by those practices as well. I'm using 3-pound weights today. Start at the top of your mat in mountain pose. Close the eyes. Check in with how you're feeling physically, mentally, emotionally. Take a deep breath in with your nose. A long breath out with the mouth. Close the lips, constrict the throat gently, and we'll start Ujjayi breath, breathing in and out through the nose as you set an intention or mantra for your practice. Today, my mantra is, I create joy and wonder. Take a deep breath in, swoop the hands out overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, bend the knees, plant the palms, step forward, flip to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga, keeping the knees lifted. Inhale, open the chest, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take a few breaths in downward dog. Paddle your feet, sway your hips, whatever feels good to you. And take a deep breath in. Float the right leg high to the sky, 3-legged dog. Exhale, draw your right knee to your nose. Plant your right foot. Grab your weights, making our way to a crescent lunge. So the right knee's over the ankle. The left heel's over the ball of the foot, keeping the tailbone tucked. Left leg is active. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows and lower the weights by the hips. Focus the eyes on a drishti, something still. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend that left knee to hover as you curl the weights, bicep curls. We're going to do 5. Deep breath in. Long breath out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now bring the weights up overhead, and we're going to do triceps now. So drawing the elbows up towards the sky, drawing the weights towards the back. We're going to inhale, lower, exhale, lift, straighten the arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, balance challenge coming up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, shift your weight to foot. Kick the left leg forward, cactus the arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. More of a balance challenge coming up to work the core. So we're going to find a warrior 3. Drop the weights underneath the shoulders. Shift your weight to your right foot. Float the left leg. And we're going to draw the arms up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Back to our crescent lunge. And then we're going to rotate to goddess pose. Heels in, toes out. Driving the knees back towards your pinky toes, keeping the tailbone tucked. We're going to inhale, sink low, cactus the arms. Exhale, straighten the legs and arms for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now we're going to rotate to the other side. Remember, everything we do on one side, we do on the other side. So making our way to a crescent lunge on our left side. So So make sure the left knee is over the ankle. Left knee over the ankle. Right heel over the ball of the right foot. Keeping the tailbone tucked. Focus the eyes on a drishti. Deep breath in, arms up. Exhale, draw the elbows into the ribs. Drop the weights by the hips. And we're going to try those bicep curls. Deep breath in. Exhale, bend the right knee to hover. Curl the weights. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get ready for triceps. Arms high to the sky. Bend the elbows. We're going to inhale, lower that right knee to hover. Exhale, straighten that right leg. Straighten the arms. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Challenge coming up. Find a drishti. Focus the eyes. Take a big breath in. Exhale, shift your weight to your left foot. Pin the right leg forward, cactus the arms. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's really good. Warrior 2, balance challenge. Drop the weights under the shoulders. Shift your weight to your left foot. Float the right leg back. Inhale, drop the weights. Exhale, lift. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and good job. Spin on the right foot. Back to our goddess pose. Heels in, toes out. Knees driving back, tailbone tucked. Inhale, sink lower. Exhale, straighten the legs, arms high to the sky. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straight. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now, we're going to rotate back to the crescent lunge. Drop the weights. Plant your palms. Step back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. In, open the chest. Exhale, downward dog. Take a few breaths, pedal the feet, sway the hips. Whatever feels good to you. Then with an inhale, look between the thumbs, step or float. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Now inhale, chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose. Great work. Now we're going to come down to the mat. Last little bit of core. This is more of a Pilates move. We're going to do the 100. Make your way to a lying down position. Bend the legs at the back. Legs together. So hips. Lift the shoulders, lift the head. We're going to pump the arms. Inhale to 5 and exhale to 5. 10 times. The 100. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job with the 100. It's a great Pilates core workout. All right, we're going to do one more little bit of core here. Interlace your fingers behind the head. Extend the right leg long. Try to keep that right leg from touching the mat. And we're going to draw the left knee towards our right elbow. And then switch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Your abs should be on fire. All right, we're going to do one little bridge pose here. Take a big breath in. Push the feet into the mat. Tuck in the tailbone. Lift the hips till you feel an opening in the chest. And maybe close the eyes. And as you open through the heart, ask yourself, is there anything specific you would like to invite into your heart today? Maybe think about your intention, your mantra you set for your practice. Take a couple more breaths. And take a deep breath in. Lift the hips a little higher. Exhale, lower the hips down. Then with an inhale, draw the knees to the chest. Exhale, knees to the right, gaze to the left for a twist. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, knees to chest. Exhale, knees to the left, gaze to the right, twist the other way. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, knees to chest. Exhale, grab the outer edges of the feet. Happy baby pose. Stretching the legs, stretching the hips, rocking a little side to side. And then make your way to Shavasana. Feel free to stay in Shavasana as long as you would like. And when you're ready, close and your awareness inward. Make your way back to a comfortable seated position. Notice how your breath feels. Notice how your body feels. And notice any subtle shifts in your mood, your mind, your energy. Perhaps reflect on your intention. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Thank you so much for joining me for this Power Yoga Sculpt routine. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. And if you like this workout, please share it with friends. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.